What if I told you that one stock, not a portfolio, not a mix of ETFs, but just one stock, could turn your $1,000 investment into life-changing gains in 2025? Are we talking about hype or a genuine once-in-a-generation opportunity? Let's break it down. Welcome and welcome back to Wealth Steps. In this video, we're diving into the incredible opportunity that lies ahead in 2025. Right now, three powerful themes are shaping the market. Artificial intelligence, AI, the technology revolutionizing industries across the board, pro-business policies, a new wave of government initiatives driving economic growth, the Fed's strategic moves, a carefully planned approach to interest rate adjustments that could extend this bull market. But the real story here is one stock that stands out in this environment, one I believe has millionaire-making potential. Federal Reserve strategy, a market-shaping force. Let's start with the Federal Reserve. This week, Powell confirmed a 25 basis point rate cut, but scaled back expectations for 2025, hinting at just 2 more cuts next year. While the initial market reaction was negative, here's why this approach is actually bullish for long-term investors. Why slower rate cuts are bullish. A slow, measured approach gives the market time to breathe, reduces the risk of overheating, and allows the broader economy to absorb the benefits. Compare this to aggressive cuts, which often signal panic and trigger market uncertainty. Think of it like stretching a rubber band. You want it to expand gradually without snapping. This measured pace sets the stage for a longer, more sustainable bull market. Historical example, the 1990s bull market. During the 1990s, the Federal Reserve adopted a similar strategy, gradually reducing rates while fueling economic growth. The result? A decade-long bull market that created massive wealth for investors. We could be in the early stages of a similar cycle right now, and the parallels are striking. The AI revolution, the growth engine of 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, it's reshaping industries from healthcare to finance to gaming. AI isn't just innovation, it's transformation. Companies that are at the forefront of this trend stand to reap massive rewards. Real-world example, NVIDIA's meteoric rise. NVIDIA has become the poster child of AI growth, with its GPUs driving breakthroughs in machine learning, autonomous vehicles, and more. Its dominance in the AI space has delivered 10x returns for early investors. Why AI still has room to run? The AI market is projected to reach $1.3 trillion by 2030, with the majority of that growth happening over the next 5 years. But here's the kicker. NVIDIA isn't the only player in town. There's another company quietly positioning itself to take a significant share of this market, and that's AMD. AMD, the comeback stock of 2025. AMD isn't just another semiconductor company, it's a game changer. From powering gaming consoles like the Xbox Series X to dominating cloud data centers, AMD has firmly established itself as a major player. And now, it's gearing up to challenge NVIDIA in the AI space. AMD's game-changing products. One of AMD's most exciting innovations is the MI300 chip, a hybrid processor that combines CPUs, GPUs, and high-bandwidth memory designed specifically for AI workloads. Early testing shows that the MI300 is competitive with NVIDIA's best offerings, positioning AMD to capture a significant slice of the $100 billion AI hardware market. Key partnerships driving growth. AMD's EPYC processors are already gaining traction with major cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. These processors are celebrated for their energy efficiency and cost advantages, making them an attractive choice as demand for AI and cloud computing continues to surge. Real-world comparison, Intel's decline versus AMD's rise. Remember when Intel was the undisputed king of semiconductors? Over the past decade, AMD has systematically chipped away at Intel's dominance. Now, AMD is set to do the same to NVIDIA in the AI space, leveraging its innovative products and strategic partnerships. Why AMD is undervalued? The numbers don't lie. AMD's fundamentals are rock solid. Revenue is up 20% year over year. Net income has grown by 157%. Operating income is up 223%. Yet, despite these impressive metrics, the stock is down 8% year to date. Why? Market perception. While NVIDIA has dominated the AI spotlight, AMD has been quietly building its arsenal, creating a prime opportunity for savvy investors. Historical example, Microsoft in the 2000s. Microsoft was once considered yesterday's tech, overshadowed by more exciting competitors. But its pivot to cloud computing in the 2010s turned it into a trillion-dollar giant. AMD is in a similar position today, underestimated but ready to explode. How to play AMD in 2025. The best strategy. Buying shares outright is a simple way to gain exposure to AMD's growth, but options can amplify your gains. My pick? AMD 150 strike calls expiring January 2026. Owning shares provides direct exposure to price appreciation, but options offer leverage, allowing you to capitalize on significant stock moves with less capital. Long-dated calls, like the January 2026 options, provide ample time for AMD's growth story to unfold. With strong fundamentals and a bullish market, options could outperform traditional stock ownership if timed well. Why options work? Options let you control 100 shares of AMD for a fraction of the capital. This maximizes potential upside while limiting initial investment. However, options are high risk, so always manage your position size and have a clear exit strategy. Options offer cost-efficient exposure compared to buying shares outright. For instance, owning 100 shares requires significant capital, but a single call option provides similar upside at a lower cost. However, risks include expiration and time decay. A defined exit strategy ensures you're not caught in an unfavorable position near expiration. Why AMD could be the stock of the year? AMD is a powerhouse in AI, gaming, and cloud computing. With groundbreaking products, strong financials, and massive market opportunities, AMD is primed for a breakout in 2025. AMD's advancements in AI, gaming, and cloud computing align with rising demand in these sectors. The global impact of AI. AI is a global transformation driving economic growth and reshaping industries. Governments are pouring billions into AI research, fueling investment opportunities. AI is a geopolitical race, with nations like the US and China investing heavily in innovation. The US focuses on retaining leadership, while China rapidly advances its capabilities. This competition accelerates advancements, opening new opportunities for investors. Final thoughts. 2025 offers immense opportunities with AMD at the forefront. Whether through stocks, options, or ETFs, the key is to start investing and stay consistent. With the AI revolution and AMD's potential, 2025 could be a transformative year. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action now. The most successful investors spend time in the market, not timing it. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe for more insights. Let's make 2025 a year to remember.